What if I told you you can lose over 30 pounds without changing your diet or starting to run or work out? That's exactly what happened in clinical trials with Ozempic, the so-called miracle shot for weight loss. But is it really that simple? Stick around because I'll share where you could buy this weight loss compound at the lowest price, plus a free peptide cheat sheet at the end. Ozempic was originally designed to help manage type 2 diabetes, but in the past few years, it's become one of the most talked about drugs in the weight loss world. From celebrities to everyday people, more and more turning to this once weekly injection or daily pill in hopes of shedding serious pounds. But what's behind the hype? How does it actually work? And is it really the game changer it's being made out to be, or just another shortcut with a hidden cost? In this video, we're diving deep into what Ozempic is, how it helps with fat loss, the real world results, and what you need to know before considering it for yourself. What are the common challenges people face with weight loss? Metabolic adaptation. As you lose weight, your metabolism slows down. The body fights to regain fat through hunger hormones like ghrelin and reduced resting energy expenditure. Hunger and cravings. Caloric restriction often increases appetite and cravings, making diets hard to stick to long term. Hormonal imbalances. Insulin resistance, thyroid issues, or PCOS can hinder fat loss regardless of calorie intake. Stress and sleep deprivation. Cortisol levels and poor sleep can cause increased fat storage, especially around the midsection. Unsustainable diets and yo-yo weight cycling. Bad diets may cause quick drops but lead to regaining the weight and more over time. Misconceptions about weight loss medication like Ozempic. It's a shortcut. False. Medications like Ozempic aren't magic pills. They work best alongside healthy habits. It's just for diabetics. While originally approved for type 2 diabetes, Ozempic has been clinically proven to support significant weight loss even in non-diabetics. You'll regain the weight as soon as you stop. Yes, maintenance is a challenge, but that's true with any method. The key is pairing it with sustainable nutrition and lifestyle changes. It's dangerous. Like any medication, there are risks and side effects, but when used correctly and monitored, it has been shown to be safe and effective in clinical trials. It's cheating. This dismisses the real biological struggles people face. Obesity is not a willpower issue, it's a medical condition. What is Ozempic and how does it work? Ozempic, or semaglutide, is a GLP-1 receptor agonist. That means it mimics a natural hormone in your body called glucagon-like peptide 1, which plays a big role in regulating appetite, blood sugar, and digestion. When you take Ozempic, your body reacts in a few key ways. You feel full longer. Your appetite decreases significantly. Food moves more slowly through your stomach, reducing cravings and overeating. It also improves insulin sensitivity, which helps your body store less fat and use energy more efficiently. How much weight loss are we talking about? Now, here's where it gets really interesting. In a clinical trial published in the New England Journal of Medicine, participants who took semaglutide at 2.4 milligrams per week lost an average of 14.9% of their body weight over 68 weeks. That's around 30 to 35 pounds depending on the starting weight. Compare that to the placebo group who lost just 2.4%. That's a huge difference. Real world users are seeing results that align with the studies. My brother's wife's cousin said, I lost 102 pounds in 15 months, and my cravings and knee pain completely disappeared. Now I can walk on the treadmill in the morning pain free. One of my bodybuilding clients said, for the first time, I feel in control of my hunger during prep. Most of my lifestyle clients on SEMA reported improved energy, better sleep, and less brain fog. So, just how far can Ozempic take you on your fat loss journey? In real world cases, users have reported losing up to 50 to 60 pounds or more over the course of several months to a year. That's not a small drop on the scale, that's life changing transformation territory. But here's what makes it truly stand out. In the STEP trials, participants lost an average of 15% of their total body weight, with some reaching as high as 20% or more. That's 30 to 60 pounds for many adults. Now compare that to traditional weight loss. Diet and exercise alone, average loss is 5 to 10%, and it often plateaus. Fat burners or over the counter supplements, typically 2 to 4% with little long term evidence. Even gastric sleeve surgery leads to about 20 to 25% body weight loss, but with major risks and recovery time. Ozempic offers similar weight loss potential without the scalpel, making it the most effective non surgical treatment for obesity we've ever seen. To wrap it all up, Ozempic isn't just a diabetes medication anymore. It's one of the most powerful tools for weight loss we've seen outside of surgery. Here's what we covered: how it works. Ozempic mimics a natural hormone that reduces appetite, slows digestion, and helps regulate blood sugar, all of which contribute to weight loss. The results: clinical trials showed an average weight loss of 15% of total body weight, with some users shedding 30 to 60 pounds or more. Why it's unique: unlike crash diets or over the counter supplements, Ozempic actually works. And while it's not a magic fix, it can make long-term success far more achievable when combined with healthy habits. What to watch for. It does come with potential side effects like nausea or GI issues, and long-term use requires a plan for maintenance. At the end of the day, Ozempic isn't about shortcuts. It's about science helping people take back control of their health. I'd love to hear from you. Have you tried Ozempic or are you considering it? Drop your experience, questions, or concerns in the comments below. Your story might help someone else who's on the fence. And if you're exploring different weight loss strategies, be sure to check out my other videos on topics like other GLP-1s, fat loss peptides, and sustainable nutrition plans. If you want a step-by-step guide on using the peptide we discussed today for faster fat loss, grab my free peptide cheat sheet. Comment cheat sheet for your copy. And if you're looking for the best deals on US manufactured peptides online, use my affiliate link at OC and the code BOX for a 10% discount. Hit that like button if you found this helpful and subscribe for no BS insights on cutting edge health tools. Thanks for watching. For physique coaching, peptide coaching, consultations, and discount codes, please visit www.showhorsefitness.com. Spots are filling fast. Act now. From fat loss and muscle growth to hormone optimization, peptides, and personalized health plans, I've got you covered. Let's work together. Contact me at fox@showhorsefitness.com.